In this tutorial, we will create, price, save, and verify a course bundle in ModernCommerce. From the ModernCommerce administration area, open Bundles, then select Create Bundle or Program. Image adds the cover used on bundle cards and detail pages. Select Upload Image and choose the Prepared Interactive Learning Tools cover. When the preview appears, keep it for this example. Bundle name is required and identifies the offer for administrators and customers. Enter Interactive Learning Tools. Bundle because the example groups 3 interactive media courses. Type decides how ModernCommerce presents the grouped learning. Bundle is one offer containing related courses. Program is a structured multi-course offering and enables program behavior. Select Bundle for this example. Status controls the product lifecycle. Active allows normal availability when the other rules pass. Draft is work in progress. Inactive keeps the record outside normal availability. Archived retires it from normal use. Select Draft so the bundle can be reviewed before activation. Category assigns the site-defined primary catalog group. All categories leaves the bundle without a primary category. Demo courses is the current group for course examples. Demo bundles is the current group for bundle examples. Select Demo bundles. Display order stores a non-negative ordering value for product administration and supported catalog sorting. Enter 20, leaving room to position other offers before or after this bundle. Max enrollment stores the bundle level enrollment limit. A positive value records a ceiling. 0 means unlimited. Keep 0 because this example has no bundle level enrollment cap. Short description supplies the concise summary used in bundle previews. Enter a practical collection of interactive learning media courses. Description provides the longer explanation on the bundle detail experience. Enter this bundle groups Modern Flipbook, Modern Quiz Player, and Modern Video Player into one learning offer. Visible off blocks customer-facing availability. Visible on allows the bundle to appear when its status and other availability rules also pass. Leave visible on. Draft status still keeps this example outside normal availability. Featured off gives the bundle normal treatment. Featured on marks it for featured presentation wherever the storefront uses that flag. Leave featured off because this is a standard tutorial record. Price is the regular bundle amount and cannot be negative. 0 would show free product. Enter $129 as the regular price for this example. Put on sale off stores no sale price and keeps the schedule fields hidden. On reveals sale price, start date, and end date. Turn it on because this example includes a simple bundle discount. Sale price is the reduced amount. It cannot exceed the regular price and must be lower to produce an active reduction. Enter $99. Start date is an optional lower boundary for the sale. A date delays the reduction until that day. A blank value applies no scheduled lower boundary. Leave it blank so the sale can begin without a scheduled start. End date is an optional upper boundary. When both dates are used, end must be after start. A blank value applies no scheduled upper boundary. Leave it blank so this example has no scheduled end. Price preview confirms the customer-facing calculation. Here, $129 is the regular price, $99 is the sale price, and the displayed reduction is 23%. Select Courses is a type-ahead search. Enter at least 2 characters, then wait for matching Moodle course names and short names. The current builder returns up to 20 selectable results. Type Modern Flipbook, then select that course. Repeat the search for each course that belongs in the offer. Add Modern Quiz Player, then add Modern Video Player. ModernCommerce prevents the same course from being added to this form twice. The up and down arrows control the saved course sequence. An arrow is disabled when a course cannot move farther in that direction. Move Modern Video Player up once, so it appears before Modern Quiz Player. The Remove button takes a course out of the unsaved selection. Remove Modern Quiz Player. Confirm that the row disappears, then search for it again and add it back. The final bundle must contain all 3 courses. The form is not stored until Save Changes is selected. ModernCommerce requires a name, valid non-negative values, and at least one included course. Click Save Changes, wait for the saving state, and confirm that the drawer closes. The saved row confirms the result. Interactive Learning Tools. Bundle, type bundle, 3 courses, a regular price of $129, a sale price of $99, 0 enrollments, and draft status. Open Actions and select Edit to verify the persisted form. Confirm the name, bundle type, draft status, Demo Bundles category, visible on, featured off, pricing, and 3 included courses. Advanced Bundle Features is now available because the bundle has been saved, but it is outside this creation tutorial. Select Cancel without making changes. That is how to create and verify a course bundle in ModernCommerce. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and leave a comment. For additional help, contact us through the link in the description or bio.